Looks full of dreams, yeah. Cars, designer, money, family type. Pray every night that we all alright.
By the way, I'm wearing a jumper as well. And most of the people, they're wearing like normal t-shirt, including my dad, so I'm just there like sweating. But I have to pretend I'm alright. I can see a few people wearing jumpers, but I'll try and survive in the heat. Yeah. This is quite nice. Here we've got a Citroen that is really kitted out to the max. Like you can see the detail, the level of detail in this Citroen is outstanding. Like they're taking customization to the next level. Where you're gonna see this on a public road, you're never gonna see this. So that's why car shows are very important for stuff like this. So you can see how creative people are, especially in this day and age. That was no. That was a Ford. No, that was the old version. Yeah. You're talking about the old version, VXR. You see, we've got the skateboard in the back as well. See that little skateboard? It's got the same car, exactly the same car. To give you guys a little bit of context, we're just talking about the comparison towards the old VXR and the new VXR and how we're comparing it to the Corsa that I had previously on the channel. It brought back a lot of memories because I did do quite a lot of things with the car, so you can see that in my previous videos, but good memories. Back at it again with another Lamborghini Huracan. This time this one is a lot more nicer than the blue one in my opinion, the one that's customized by Gravity by themselves. This one has a lot of aerodynamic flow that's been added to the body kit, so this one's really well done. I'll put this very close to a proper racing car that you see on the tracks. This is very close to that. Look at that number plate, Yo Lambo. That's a nice little number plate, Yo Lambo. This is what this event's about. It's all about recording. I think that's the Corsa you were saying the last time, but this one is different. It's a white plate. I think this is more like a track car. That's what it's called. Look at the engine. I've seen this on somebody's YouTube channel as well. Yeah. There's two engines. I think this is definitely a track car. Look how big that engine is. Nice. Can we just look at this for a second? This is a normal van that's been completely changed, not even from just the inside, but also the outside as well. And imagine you use this van for work. You'll be going to places in no time. You'll be having 5-star reviews all over the place. This is something like a track car around here. You can see like SMP Racing. This is definitely one of the racing games as well. I'd definitely try this in one of the racing games. And now you get to see in reality, it's huge, it's massive. Now imagine driving this on the streets.
You know where Mark's stand is?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, it definitely is somewhere.
Probably on that side. Probably on that side. That was an interesting approach. Many fans have come out to see him as well, so it's very understandable. So the car that you see right now is a Ford Fiesta ST and it's been converted into a drifting car, especially by the company Hoonigan. They are very well known for drifting cars especially, and it's all been driven by a lot of professionals. This one was very special. Idea. That's a good idea for a show car. I've never seen that before. It's got some nice LED lights underneath inside as well. Look at that number plate, big red. Tell me where you're gonna see this infused on the boot lid. That's crazy. This is GTR on steroids. What is this? That's a massive spoiler on the back, ready to take off and take out all those fighter jets. Yeah, I can tell why they put that on there because this is literally a beast. Oh, I didn't realize they took off the hood. Like, just look at the engine. It was that powerful that they need to take the hood off. Oh, never mind, it's on the roof. They put the hood on the roof. believe this is this carbon? Oh yeah, it has to be. I mean, if it's not carbon, then it's not a GTR. They had to reduce a lot of weight just so they can make this into an absolute animal. Definitely says what it does. Ooh, we got a nice little Porsche as well. That is really nice. And I believe this is gold. It can't be matte bronze. There has to be. I think it's matte gold. I'm not sure if you can pick that on the camera, but I think it's matte gold. That is really nice. Where have I seen this before? I've never seen this. But these wheels, that is really, really immaculate. I mean, it has to be. Otherwise, it's not going to be worth showing the car showroom. That spoiler's got carbon bricks on it. You can clearly see that. I like the idea of these two detailing as well. I keep saying cool and nice. The two words that I keep saying it again and again. Right, I'm not sure if I've seen this last year, but I definitely did not see these. That is a lot different compared to the last time I seen it. But that looks nice as well. I like the idea of the combinations of both. I think one is for like aerodynamic. I've seen quite a few of these. So these diffusers, they are quite popular amongst the polos. They do look really nice in the polos as well. Not even just the old ones, the new ones as well. Now, I've been getting mixed debates about this car, the M140i. There's a lot of people are asking me to get this car to customize that. However, it's just a hatchback. Don't get me wrong, it looks nice. There's nothing wrong with it, but I want to go for like something that's quite big. Maybe like a saloon type, maybe a big car, like an SUV. But for what I can tell, this one is really nice. But I have been getting a lot of people telling me to get these ones. Yeah, it does look good. It looks really good. To ever customize this. Auto ID, also Nürburgring edition. Nürburgring edition as well. You know, when they change the hood on the bonnet, that's when you know there's something serious underneath that. That's gonna gap any car you can imagine. We just only cover like pretty much half of it so far. There's like still loads to go here. That's the BMW M5. They come like hybrid. So that's the electric you was talking about. So they come like this. They added these like blue lights in there as well. And then you've got the whole rear light. I'm not sure if that comes standard. I think that might be customized. I'm not sure if it comes standard. I have seen a few BMW M5s, the new ones. I haven't seen that lit up once. Or maybe I haven't seen enough. But that's really good. Even inside, the LED lights is quite nice as well. Oh, it's from the same company, Auto ID. From the same company, Auto ID, which is them. So they have that and they have these two as well. Auto ID, this is M2. Can you see me in that? Oh, you can see. That's the other version, the one we've seen over there. It had the yellow thing, which I didn't like personally, but this one looks better. This one's more on the simple side. It's got less stickers around it. Something dangerous underneath that bonnet. There's something dangerous underneath this bonnet as well. But when the bonnet is not original, then they've definitely done something inside. So that's a killer machine right there as well. I can see they're branding out the whole top. That's pretty interesting. Let's roll on to this side now. So I think it spins. The air goes on one side, it spins this a lot. And then that's why it creates a lot of turbo to the engine. Fuse, I was like, is that for the center wheel caps or something like that?
No. These are for this engine here.
Yeah.
So we reduced the supercharger pulley size down to spin supercharger faster, generate more boost, more power.
Because I got a Mercedes A-Class.
Oh, right, okay, yeah.
Can that go on that as well?
You can't, no, it's just BMW Minis.
Ah!
Yeah.
Good. That's good. No, thank you so much. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. So these are mainly for BMW and Minis. So they source these parts for BMW Minis. And the whole idea of this, create more horsepower. That's the spaces. I was going to put something like this on the car, but then I got my fitment right. So
now this is what we call legendary section.
You got a Lamborghini US here, you got a Porsche right here as well. I believe both of them are matte black. What company is this? SVC. Oh, it's a Satin Black collection. I believe they do wrapping, that's why. So it's not just that, but they also have like multiple cars. So they got the Porsche, they got the McLaren, Lamborghini, they even got the one that Matt Armstrong hates the most, the Lamborghini. Check this out again. Yes, that's the one that Armstrong hates the most. That one right there. He hates that one the most. That's not original. I can see why they put bark poles around it because they don't want nobody touching it. This one's the best car I've seen so far. Out of all the cars today, this one is the best one. Yeah, mark my words, I'll get that in. Just give me a couple of years, I'll get that, inshallah, don't worry.
Loyalty I feel, yeah, never switch up, that's real. Yeah, money comes slow, but we build. Yeah, luck sell our dreams, that's the deal, yeah. Isn't just talk, they living proof. Family in the crib, yeah, we bulletproof. Money ain't love, but it helps get through. Luck sell our dreams, that's what I do, yeah.